Good afternoon. Today I decided to take the body, tanks and cab off of my 1400 Bowandy tank because I did drop it the day I put the nameplate, the number plates and the decals on there, and I had a couple of leaks, one on the water filler and one on the gauge glass. So I wanted to take the body off to make sure there were no others on there. Not difficult to do, but it's you need to, for ease of getting it out, you need to take the gas tank on the back there off, and then you can easily undo the six. Well, you can't easily undo them, it's wrong. You can have fun undoing the six bolts that actually hold the body on. Two at the front of the tanks and four at the rear of the cab. Well, two each cab side rear. Yep, unfortunately when I put the body back on later, I broke the rear vacuum pipe off, which is a little bit annoying, but I'll fix it. So this section at the moment is before lunch. I gave the re-engine a run in both directions, running time about 15 minutes each way. A good little engine, I'm very pleased with it. Sadly, up here the brain cell dropped out and I pressed the button to stop recording, so that's the gap there. But here we are with the obligatory bridge shot. So I'll be quiet now until the second part. This is it going backwards. This is part of the same run. I gave it a run both ways. Right, so I'll be quiet for a few moments. So, after having lunch and having popped the bits and pieces on that I wanted to get done, it was time for another steam test. Again, it'll be a quarter of an hour in each direction basically. Good silly hand there. My blue gloved hand reminds me of the glove in it's either in Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band or it might have been Yellow Submarine. Can't remember. But there we go. So there she goes off, and I'll be quiet again and let you enjoy it. So this is post lunch and she's on her way. So, satisfactory steam test complete, body back on. It was only when I put the body back on now that I see the amount of distortion on the running plate and the cab. I might have to take a course in body work, but there we are. So here we are, the test run. I only went forward on this one, so I only ran for about a quarter of an hour. Obligatory curve and bridge shots, but thanks very much for your patience. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give it a tick for the like and share it with other people that you might think might enjoy it. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.